Morning OCMS students. Here we have a PhET model that shows you interactions for sound waves. We have a few different places that you can go, but the two locations I recommend you adventuring through for the questions that are given, we have intro, we also have measure. You could go to these other three, but I think given the questions, these two are the best to interact with. If you're feeling adventurous, you go through these other ones, or if you feel like you're not getting a good enough understanding of what's occurring, then you could adventure down the other three. So if we jump into intro, you'll see that it starts automatically, but we can pause it if we so choose. We can step it through its actions. We can also reset. Over here we have our frequencies that we can increase and decrease, amplitude to increase and decrease, listener audio. So this is for the listener, being the person that's here on our interactive, and I would recommend giving it a try for a little bit. At some point you might want to turn it off. So to be able to turn that off and turn that on, you have that button right there. Yeah, I think that gives you the walkthrough of everything in here. As you can see right here, it's starting to change as it's pulsing the different amplitude and frequency that I set it to. So here are the ones that were preset, and these are the new ones coming through. It's pretty cool. If we look at measure, once again, pause, step through. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Pause. Oh, it's linked. Okay, before it wasn't linked, but it looks like it is now. Reset. That's going to reset the whole thing. But anyway, so if you're looking at trying to get any measurements to try to get an understanding of how amplitude and frequency relate to each other, see, play. So my timer is ready to go. I can hit play, stop, and then I can also step it forward. If I want to get any measurements for what might be occurring, remember we start our ruler at 0. Now for this, it's kind of like, where do you start 0 at? And for me, if I were to start 0, I'd do it at where the it looks like they have it set up like right here. If we step it through, it's kind of right around where you get the full extension of the speaker's diaphragm. Yep, so I'd start 0 there if you're looking to get any kind of measurements. It just makes it a little bit difficult to see inside, on the back side of this speaker for any wave heights or wave troughs. They're troughs and peaks and troughs. You can clear your waves and start all over. And once again, you can adjust your amplitudes and frequency. So that's a little bit of a walkthrough of those two sections. As you go through to try to answer your questions, dive through here, see if anything comes forward. All right, good luck.